What's up mga kanay? Sa videong ito ay pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano na nga ba ngayon mag-activate ng mobile key sa inyong BPI account. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito and you're into tutorial and informational videos, please like, share, and subscribe lang kanays. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung pag-subscribe ninyo sa ating channel and makakasigurado ka na marami pa tayong upcoming videos na gaya nito na aking i-upload this coming days. Going back sa ating topic for this video, bakit nga ba natin kailangang i-activate muna itong mobile key? Recently, gaya ng na-experience ko since gumamit ako ng another phone, ay kailangan ko ulit mag-setup ng mobile key for my bank transactions. This is for our safety, in which you can authorize transactions using biometrics or a PIN. Additionally, the mobile key is a more secure and convenient alternative to OTP. To activate this, once na nakalagin na kayo sa inyong account, ay itap nyo lang yung transfer button. Then, itap mo lang yung activate your mobile key option. Tapos, toggle on mo lang yung mobile key. Tapos, may prompt kang marireceive na it will disable yung mobile key na sinetup mo previously dun sa isa mong phone. In my case, dito ko na kasi sa isa kong phone isa-setup itong BPI account ko since medyo luma na and may mga tech issues na rin yung Redmi phone ko. Itap lang yung yes, proceed. Next ay itap ang activate. Then it says here na kailangan mo lang i-allow yung auto start for this feature to work properly. So tap lang natin yung open settings. Tas okay. After that, toggle on lang for the BPI app, then go back. Tapos, ipoprompt ka na to nominate your PIN code. Tapos, re-enter mo lang yung code na na-nominate mo ulit. Please make sure lang po na kabisado or better i-take note nyo na lang din ang inyong na-register na code. Then, may papadala lang sila na OTP for assurance. Tap mo lang yung OK. Yung OTP ay ipapadala doon sa registered mobile sa account. Tas itap lang yung yes, send me the code. Next ay enter mo lang ang iyong OTP na na-receive mo sa iyong phone number. Then confirm. Then you will be prompted that your one-time PIN has been verified. Tapos you also have the option if instead na code ay biometrics yung preferred mo na security. So at this time, ang trinay ko ay using the code, kaya ang pinili ko ay don't use biometrics. Then you also see here the confirmation that the mobile key is successfully activated. So that's it mga kanays, we're done with the latest procedures on how to activate your BPI mobile key. See you on our next video.